Okay, welcome back to the lab. This is domain 4 where we cook code, not crystal. Like Walter White's chemistry, software development requires precision, discipline, and logic. Let's see if you can think like a true programmer under pressure. Question 1. Jesse edits a Python script mid-cook, hits run, and instantly sees an error on line 12. What kind of language is he working with? A. Compiled. B. Interpreted. C. Query. D. Assembly. And the correct answer is B. Interpreted. Python executes line by line, like Jesse following Walt's recipe step by step. One wrong chemical, and the whole batch reacts immediately. Question 2. Before testing his new Blue app, Walt compiles the C++ code first. Why does it run faster than Jesse's Python script? A. It interprets while running. B. Errors are skipped. C. It's already machine code. D. It uses slang syntax. The correct answer is C. It's already machine code. Walt's precompiled code is like a finished batch, ready for shipment. No mid-cook adjustments, just pure efficiency. Question 3. SolveQuery is a database for client names using structured query language. Meanwhile, Mike hand codes instructions for a robotic arm. Which pairing fits? A. Query equals manual labor, assembly equals questions. B. Query equals asking a librarian, assembly equals fixing an engine. C. Query equals guessing, assembly equals reading aloud. D. Query equals improv, assembly equals baking. And the correct answer is B. Query equals asking a librarian, assembly equals fixing an engine. Solve queries for exact info while Mike works at the nuts and bolts level, just like assembly code manipulating hardware directly. Question 4. The letter W etched on Walt's chemistry notebook would be stored as what data type? A. String. B. Character. C. Integer. D. Boolean. The correct answer is B. Character. A single symbol, 1W for Walter or warning, is a character. Small mark, big meaning. Question 5. The phrase I am in danger would be represented as which data type? A. String. B. Integer. C. Float. D. Boolean. The correct answer is A. String. Strings hold sequences of characters. Walt's chilling quote is just a text string, powerful but still data. Question 6. Walt measures a 99.1% purity level. What data type can capture that precision? A. Integer. B. Float. C. String. D. Boolean. The correct answer is B. Float. Floats store decimals, crucial for chemistry or calculations that demand exactness beyond whole numbers. Question 7. Jesse probes, Yo, Mr. White, are we cooking today or not? What data type answers that question? A. Integer. B. Boolean. C. Character. D. String. The correct answer is B. Boolean. Remember, Booleans are binary, true or false, cook or don't cook. Question 8. In Walt's lab, the blue formula never changes, but ingredient amounts vary per batch. In programming terms, these represent A, variables and constants, B, arrays and loops, C, functions and objects, D, floats and integers. And the correct answer is A, variables and constants. The formula, also the constant, never changes, but the ingredient quantities, variables, do. Walt controls both for consistency and precision, just like managing data types in code. 9. Walt lines up rows of labeled vials, each with the batch number. What concept does this mirror? A, Boolean, B, function, A, array, D, constant. And the correct answer is C, array. Each vial is one indexed element in a bigger collection. Remember, arrays store multiple related items. Question 10. Input, chemicals. Process, cook. Output, blue product. Which programming concept fits this model? A, object. B, variable. C, function. D, array. The correct answer is C, function. A function performs a defined process on input data to produce consistent output. The cook process of programming. Question 11. Heisenberg's intimidation method of hat, glasses, and black jacket best represents what concept? A, variable. B, constant. C, array. D, object. The correct answer is D, object. An object combines data, attributes like hat and glasses, and actions, methods like intimidate or negotiate. Heisenberg is one object in the chemist class. Question 12. Before each cook, Walt outlines every step on the whiteboard. Acquire ingredients, set up lab, begin cook, test purity. This is an example of what? A, pseudocode. B, flowchart. C, object model. D, loop. And the correct answer is A, pseudocode. Pseudocode is plain language planning for a process. Walt's whiteboard outline is his pre-cooked pseudocode to ensure a flawless batch. Question 13. If Gus offers partnership, then accept. Otherwise, go independent. What logic structure does this show? A, looping. B, array. C, constant. D, branching. The correct answer is D, branching. That's a classic if-else structure. One condition, two outcomes. Walt's decision tree is programming logic in action. Question 14. Jesse keeps cleaning beakers until they're spotless, and then starts again next week. What structure is this? A, object. B, constant. C, loop. D, branch. The correct answer is C, loop. A loop repeats a task until a condition is met. Jesse's cleaning cycle is a while loop, repetitive, tedious, but necessary for a clean result. Question 15, final question. One RV design spawns many identical mobile labs. What programming relationship does this describe? A. Variable and constant. B. Loop and branch. C. Function and argument. D. Class and object. And the correct answer is D. Class and object. A class is a blueprint. Each object is an instance built from it. The RV design, the class, spawns identical mobile labs, the objects, ready to cook anywhere in the desert. Okay, well done. You've survived the Heisenberg Lab of Coding Concepts. Remember, precision and structure are everything in programming and chemistry. Now let's take that mastery to Domain 5. See you then.